This morning, let's get to know more about this twin chess players na finalist for Asian Schools Chess Championship Grand Finals. Kasama ang kanilang coach na si Jerry Almorada. Please welcome Seigneur Juancho and Jury Joaquin Ferrer mula Tuguegarao City. Good morning, Juancho and Joaquin, and of course, good morning, Coach, and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Everybody! Everybody!
Whoa, cute!
So,
Diba? Napaka-cute ng mga bata. And of course, well, sometimes life can be this unfair. They're 6 years old, and they're very good at chess. And, you know, I'm 21, and I don't know how to play. And of course, now, let's get down to it. Joaquin and Juancho, listen to me. Learning this sport together, playing together, and succeeding in games together doubles the fun and doubles the victory. How does it feel to have achieved so much at 6 years old? How do you feel that you have won your games?
Very good.
Very good.
We have fun doing our tournament. Yes, I'm so excited for our tournament because I want to go first place. The other tournament in our finals, I become fifth place.
Kayo naman po ngayon, gusto ko hong malaman kasi syempre, ang babata po nila. Pero ano ho bang potensyal yung mga nakita natin sa kambal natin?
As we all know, talagang hindi naman ligit sa kaalaman ng lahat, sa mga ganyang murang edad, masyadong boring sa kanila yung mga ganitong game.
Tama.
So nakakapagtaka lang na very passionate sila, tsaka nag-i-enjoy sila sa game na to. Kaya sabi ko, sobrang ganda na ng potential ng ganon, lalo na kapag nag-i-enjoy sila, tsaka mahal nila yung kanilang ginagawa.
I want to know from the kids, Juancho and Joaquin, when did you start to play chess?
When we were 5 years old, could you teach us maybe like 5 months?
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay. You don't remember,
So,
but yeah.
One of our teachers named Tita Mac was the one that taught us. And one of our queers also used to start and she was how to do chess, but not anymore.
Coach, balik po ako sa inyo. Kumusta ho ba yung experience naman coaching them? Siyempre, sabi mo kanina, they're very passionate about the game at the age of 6, di ba, Coach?
So kinakailangan talaga yung pagtuturo at their age, kailangan fun, kailangan masaya. So I have to change voices, I have to change yung style ng pagtuturo.
Galing,
Minsan masaya, minsan gugulatin mo. So kailangan yung pagtuturo, kailangan lively. Kasi kung hindi lively, hindi sila magi-enjoy. Pag hindi sila magi-enjoy, so definitely the next day, hindi na sila magi-training.
Your skills have taken you to a different level or to different places. What games would you like to join in the future?
Sometimes I like to play with masters. I would like to be one of our teammates. So that we can be first place. And me too. To be a GM. I also want to be.
Coach, ano po ang payo nyo sa ating magilas na kambal?
Ang payo ko lang sa kanila is maintain lang nila yung kanilang energy. Kung baga, nakakatuwa kasi yung ganun eh. Kung baga, malaking factor yung energy sa isang competition, sa isang sports. So pag na-maintain mo kasi yung energy, meaning nag-i-enjoy ka, minamahal mo yung sports mo, and then everything will follow.
Juancho and Joaquin, I'd like to ask you, of course, there are children watching you this morning. What would you like to tell these children, especially if they want to play chess like you?
That if they know how to play chess, that's so they can concentrate with chess and play well.
Coach, as we end this, ano hubang payo ninyo sa mga kagaya nilang mga bata na talagang na-engage sa larong chess?
All you have to do is find the right institution.
Right.
Tapos, hanapin nyo yung pinakatamang sports para sa inyo. Maalaman nyo naman yun, number one, again, kapag nag-i-enjoy kayo sa ginagawa ninyo, then that's the number one sign.
Thank you so much, Coach Jeriel, and of course to our twin Joaquin and Juancho. We wish you good luck and of course all the best in your games. So again,
Thank you.
for your time. Good morning.
Good morning po. Thank you.
Tutok lang mga kapuso, magabalik ang
See
mornings
you.
with GMA Regional TV.